These are the materials that I've selected for the rosebud inlay. I'm using this wangy, I believe this is wangy, for the stem. And you'll notice that the grain pattern, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's kind of hard to see, but the grain pattern is flowing up this way. If you look at the template, it will flow, the grain pattern will follow that. That just seems to be more of a natural flow, you know, what you would see in nature. Once again, a horizontal grain pattern here. It may be okay, it may not. You know, you just need to decide that for yourself. But for me, I wanted the grain pattern on the stem going vertically. For the leaves, I'm using a little bit of canary wood, and if you'll notice here that the bottom of the leaves are a little darker than the top, and that's just because of shading, you know, so when I put them in here, you know, this portion here will have the darker part, this portion up here will have the lighter part, and the same thing over here. Notice that they're about the same grain pattern, and the grain starts from the body and then it goes out towards the edge of the leaf. You know, once again, I'm following what you could expect to see in nature. For the flower itself, I am using yellow heart and purple heart. And once again, I'm finding grain patterns that make sense. Notice the grain pattern kind of flows like that. This piece here, this is going to be the center piece. This is the last piece I'll inlay. So I wanted something that would look kind of cool. And I think that will provide some interesting grain patterns. And I think this will really look pretty nice when it's all said and done.